Brian Chesson, Sales Manager here at My Blue Umbrella. I help my customers deliver simplicity and drive growth. A large advertising company recently came to us asking for assistance as they were starting to grow and found that their biggest challenge was going to be in tracking their attendance through their human resource department. Their current strategy was all paper driven, and they were looking for a way to increase efficiencies, greater visibility, and really giving more ownership onto their employees. Our Work Anyplace solution, we were able to transform their paper process into a digital format, giving the ownership to the employee to post their vacation, request sick days, and giving their management and their HR department immediate notifications of the employee's requests, whether they were coming up for a scheduled or non-scheduled sick day, and allowing greater visibility into the overall management structure. Check us out online at www.mbu.ca or email sales@mbu.ca.